enjoyed music from the world's #1 pop diva, Whitney Houston. Well, she's back, and she's using her golden voice to bring us some great American classics with her double CD set, Whitney Screws Up the Classics.
What the worms feel now is rust, Persian rust. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Listen as Whitney screws up your favorite classics over and over again.
Who told you to stop the music? Who told you to stop? Bitch, who told you to stop?
AJ. Tell him Bobby's college fund is not for bail. I'm not playing.
Smoking on a dock of the bay. Watching my time but roll away. I'm just smoking on the dock of the bay. Getting high.
You would think she would quit. Oh, but no, not Whitney. She's high, and we've recorded her on her double CD collection. Listen as she screws up one song after another.
I ain't have no baby. I need to get off this touring crap. Y'all are messed up. Y'all,
I said fix it. Come on, let's go. That's right. Come on, y'all. That's good. I'm ready. Who's messing with me?
something over that rainbow.
Even her pimp, her husband, gets into the act.
Like sweet Mountain Dew, Dabba-dabba-doo, like plain to see. You like the Limburger cheese. I dedicate my life. I love apple pie. It was destiny to play with my feet. Wait, baby, I don't feel it. Nigga need a hit.
Bobby, you ain't had a hit in 10 years.
Well, I'm about to have one right now. Girl, move out the way.
We're in the
Don't you
middle
ever
of
touch my body.
No.
Girl, what's wrong with you?
Order now to get your copy of Whitney Houston Screws Up the Classics.
Let's do this again. Come on, y'all.
All proceeds will go to the Bobby Brown Baby Mama
I gotta go back to Jersey. Y'all messing with my time. I got a baby. Let's go.